everybody. Wanted to make this quick video because we're about 1 week and 1 day from tax day here in 2023. So everybody's filing their 2022 taxes. I wanted to make this video to kind of talk about some tips of things that you should mention to your tax preparer to help you with qualifying for a mortgage and to also help you maximize your purchase power. Because basically, what happens is that your tax preparer's goals, right, is to usually try to show as little income as possible so that you have the smallest tax burden as possible. But as a loan officer, our job is to try to show a maximum of your income, so you have a maximum in terms of purchase power. And so obviously those two kind of sets of goals go against one another. And so it's really important, if you're getting ready to file your taxes, make sure that you tell your tax preparer that you are going to be you're planning to make a purchase and that you're going to be getting pre-approved or pre-qualified and that you want to be purchasing your own home, or maybe it's a second home or investment property. But either way, in order to maximize your purchase power, we want to be able to show on those tax returns your maximum income potential, right? And that can only be done if they know that's coming. Otherwise, they're going to do their very best to minimize your income, whatever sources of income you're receiving. They're going to do their best to minimize the income that they're showing so that minimizes your tax burden, right? And this is especially important if you're in one of two categories, or possibly both categories. One, if you're self-employed. That means that, self-employed actually is like a huge category. There's lots of different ways that people structure their taxes for being self-employed. But make sure if you have a tax preparer and that they help you with that, please make sure that you mention to them that you're looking to purchase a home or property this year, so that they have that in mind when they're calculating and trying to figure out how they can balance things out, right? Because also there's certain circumstances where if you've been self-employed for 5 years and you own your own company, if it's 5 years or more that the company's been running, in certain circumstances, we only need to look at 1 year's, the most recent year's income. And so that might be a really important tidbit for your tax preparer to know right before they file, is that, hey, I'm trying to get qualified to purchase a home. So give them that information from the start. And then the other big category is if you have any rental properties, or really if you own any real estate at all, but especially if they're rental properties, because by telling your tax preparer that, look, hey, I want to also include my rental property income as an income source to help give me my highest purchase power, that's going to affect how they submit that information, right? Because there's certain things that we can add back and give you credit for as if it were income. For example, depreciation of the property, or amortization, mortgage insurance, property taxes. There's all these things that we can add back and give you credit for in terms of your purchase power and your income, but only if it appears correctly on your tax returns, right? So make sure that you tell your tax preparer that you're looking to make a purchase, you want to have your maximum purchase power ready to go, and then have a good loan officer to help you out too. So my contact information is going to be down there in the description. Please feel free to reach out to me if I can help you with getting pre-approved, with figuring out what your purchase power is, or if you just want to talk to somebody about questions of how to make the purchase and what should I do and how to strategize, here to help. So thank you very much for watching. Oh, and I'm almost at 100 subscribers. So please feel free to hit that subscribe button, maybe even drop a comment in there if you got questions, or share it to somebody that you know is also looking to purchase or refinance. But anyway, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time.